We have made it to the beach. We know this because there is sand in the cracks of the ground. Are you ready? Somebody likes Disneyland. There's the beach. All right, let's see what else we got going on. All right, let's get all the little feetsies going. Let's see your feetsies go. Do it.
Are you taking your birds?
Let's see your feetsies go.
Yeah.
Nobody's doing it. There, she did it. You're at the beach. You guys do it.
Do it.
Go, 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 go,
Go, Vivi. Do it. Do it.
go, go,
Do
go,
it.
go, 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 go.
Whatever. That. You're gonna go to the beach, or you want to walk down?
We do whatever.
I got on all your favorite.
And rough.
They had well, I got on all your favorite rides except they had a beach as well.
Wait. Speed the way.
Forward, west, head west.
I did pack it.
Water shoes times.
I don't have my water shoes. I walked with water shoes. Mommy, look at that.
We made it. Look how big that lake is out there. There you got your water shoes on.
Does that want to?
Here yet. We gotta go out here. The sand is so soft. What are you doing? Oh, let me see. How's this work? We're gonna have to go down towards the beach and figure this out.
Look at this out.
Yeah, let's figure this out. Get your stuff. Put your lid on. Not you, it's sand. Put your lid on. All right, let's get closer to the water. To the water out there.
The sand's so
We found some place and a lot more condensed. Ow!
Goodness gracious.
All right, let's see what my grandson found. I bet it's pretty soothing and it's pretty cold. How's the water? Ah!
It's cold. It's cold.
Cold?
Why is it getting closer?
Look how high it goes. Way back there. Burr.
You gotta be kidding me.
Over.
It's freezing cold.
All right, beginning of a castle.
I'm making another one on top.
Oh man, a double decker.
Dad,
What you got?
I got the castle.
You got a castle in there? We have our.
Isn't Tina gonna come to the beach?
We have our first castle. No,
Wasn't Tina gonna come to the beach?
nah, it's too sandy and windy out here. And plus, this is my time with you guys. All right.
Oh, my castle.
Oh yeah, you mashed it.
Okay, another one.
You gotta do another one?
Yeah.
All right.
Another one. Boop.
The other. There's not a whole lot of people. I'm on the side of no vehicles. Right, those signs there, I found out the hard way, say no vehicles on this side, only on that side. Which if I would have read the signs, it would have been a lot easier. Trying to bury his feet. How's the sandcastle business going? Good. I see Papa sandcastles. I was able to catch a couple sand crabs. So that's pretty cool. So they all ran into the surf. After a little bit of playtime, quite a few crabs I caught. Probably let them go. It's gold. Board surfers out here. The beach is filling up. This is a Grover entrance, Grover City, Grover Beach. So, we're on our way to Cool Cats. Kids are hungry. Plus, it's a Pismo thing. Probably hear the clacking of the strollers. Clackety, clackety, clack. And away we go. Oh yeah, there's a golf course over there. I guess I could have filmed on the way in. I'll get this dead tree for us. How about that? We're approaching Pismo campsite. Pismo RV and camping.
It's only a
But yeah, tent camping, RV camping, camping, and it is extremely close to the ocean. Right on the other side of that dune, probably 50 yards on the other side of that. So look at all the fun campers. Memorial Day weekend. Good times. So we have warning signs all around of active coyotes. How about this? Is this better? No. And as we're walking down this path, the squirrels seem to be very friendly. And there's a group of people back there knelt down, taking pictures, and the squirrels were pretty close to them. I do not feed or play with wild animals, so as I approach through, animals can tell the difference and they skirt it off. As I announced, this is why some of these animals are getting aggressive. Because there's a squirrel back there that ran up on us really close, and wild animals don't do that unless you're feeding them. In Pismo, and let's see how the clams painted up this year. For this season. Pretty cool. Pismo Coast Village. Look at that. 50th anniversary.
fish.
I don't know what kind of fish these fish tacos are.
You don't like
Grilled
fish? You don't like
cheese.
fish?
Burger, fish and chip, tally-ho, tally-ho, fish and chip. So, got ourselves a brave one. He's gonna try himself a scorpion. Chocolate covered, of course. Yeah, I mean, he may have gotten a couple other things. Well, we better look, right? Scorpion. Dark chocolate peanut clusters. We've got chocolate fudge. We got sugar-free dark chocolate truffle. We got dark chocolate pecan and caramel clusters. Sounds like that's probably mine.
I just had it. I had it like 2 times and then it slipped.
Now we're gonna try some ants.
Pour chocolate over an anthill.
Yum. See the box? Ant wafers. Can't wait for it.
Ants when we were kids anyway.
Decided to go for a pier walk. Well, big old finger. See if there's anybody out here. Seems to be a few folks enjoying Memorial Day weekend. What are you doing down there? Alrighty, how about that? On the boardwalk. Memorial weekend. Got live music. Oh, got a really nice truck over there.
Let me tell you now, my love is good, good, good to me. Yeah. Oh, my love is good to
So I started to go to the restroom and walk by this truck until I noticed all the extensive work done to it. Look at these fenders. Let's get to the backside and see what's going on. Flared out, boy. Cool brass knuckle hip opener. Big Booty Judy. It's pretty cool.
Okay, we're back Camp AG, and it looks like more cabins have filled up, and people are taking part of the festivities and campfires. Oh, that one, even that one's taken too, the bigger one, where I was like, nobody's in there.
So laundry out?
Yeah. Is the pool open?
It's looking like. I thought there was towels up there.
That's what I was
don't know.
thinking. They could have gone to the beach though. Okay, we're gonna head over to their cabin and get set up for a barbecue. Okay, the turkeys are coming to visit us. They had their feathers out of little. Oh, nope, they're leaving now. Maybe they'll be back. Barbecue time. We're hoping that their barbecue has gas. If not, we brought ours. And we're going to christen the barbecue kit. It's pretty cool. Check it out. Bam. If that ain't professional barbecuing, I don't know what is. Turkey burgers, hot dogs, mac and cheese, potato salad, macaroni salad. I think that's what we're serving up here. Oh, chips and cookies. Oh, he's starting to get the turkey burgers ready. We got some of the fixins out here. Some chips and salsa over there. I think I'm gonna open that. They're bringing some bacon down from their cabin. And then Bobby has a helper, his grandson is becoming a barbecuer himself, so he's gonna help. Oh, and we've also got macaroni and cheese. Wasn't there scissors in your kit, baby?
Oh, is there?
Probably. And the kids like hot dogs, and then of course all the buns.
I like hot dogs with ketchup and mayonnaise.
Perfect, look, ketchup, mayonnaise, or mustard. You get to have your pick. It's time to do the watermelon. Are you gonna help? He's putting everything away, and I didn't show you guys my food because I was too hungry, but it was delicious. You'll just have to trust me. Staying here, the bathrooms are always kept nice and clean. This side is the restrooms, plenty of stalls, and then straight across this side is the showers, and they are complimentary, and they always keep it so nice and clean in here. And there's lots of stalls, including the handicap, so Camp AG all the way, can't beat it. There's a boys' camp here right now, a bunch of teenagers running around. Love this place. All right, turn out the lights, the party's over. Let me turn off the flash, actually. That's better. I turned out the lights. It's after 10 and the kids are gonna climb in bed, and everybody's safe and snug in their little cabins here. Every one of them is taken. They're so cute. It's a great way to visit this area if you don't have a lot of money. Hotels here run a couple $100, so it's a great alternative. Did you get your chocolate? We got to go back. All right, we got the chocolate. Now we can continue on. The tent camping area is really filled up too. Oh, they do have some, okay, they have some RVs up there now as well. There was no one up there before. Cool. Glad to see that it's catching on. And by the way, to reserve this place, you go to Hip Camp. That's how you do the reservations. I hope they have some events here this summer that we can come to. The live music and stuff, it's fun. Is any bonfire down there tonight? Everybody's going to bed, huh?
Yeah.
We're shutting the place down. They had so much fun today. Oh, those people are up, still partying. That's the one we're going to get next time, we hope. That's the one we wanted, but it wasn't available.
Yeah, lots of rooms, lots of space.
Yeah, it's perfect. All right, home we go. Happy Memorial Day weekend, everybody. You're not going to see this for a couple weeks, but look at our fancy Memorial Day tree, I guess they put up. First time I've ever seen it. I'm sure it'll be going on the 4th of July too.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.